In this video, we're going to be making this chocolate sponge cake, which is super moist and perfect to use in any cream layer cake. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to make the chocolate cake. First, grease and line a 6-inch round pan and set that aside. Now to your flour, add in the cocoa powder, the baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and then mix it up until you have no lumps and it's all uniform. To the water, add in the instant coffee powder and mix it in. Now in another bowl, take the sugar, the coffee water, buttermilk, plain yogurt or dahi, and the oil. And mix for about a minute or two. Now add in your dry mixture and mix until the dry flour is incorporated in the batter, but do not overmix it. It's okay if your batter is a bit lumpy. Now transfer this to your pan. And bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Make sure not to over bake it because you do not want the cake to be dry. And once done, let it cool completely. To take it out, just run a knife at the sides. And then flip it onto a plate. I like to flip it onto a plate wrapped with cling film so that I can easily pick it up. And your cake is ready. You can slice this into 2 layers and frost it with ganache or whipped cream and use it in any cream cake. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell notification to stay up to date with new videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.